Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here with Osborn, and today we're going to be talking about internal wire brushes. Now, internal brushes are useful in many trades, many scenarios, welding, plumbing, HVAC, car mechanics, and machinists, and much, much more. Internal brushes are used to clean and prepare surfaces by removing the debris, the slag, coatings, paint, trash, and they're designed to improve the surface quality in those tight areas. An internal brush, also known as a side action brush, they're designed to use by hand in a portable tool, also a drill press. Now they provide a hard-working brush action for fast, thorough cleaning, finishing in hard-to-reach places such as small diameter holes, internal threads, and surfaces that are very hard to reach. Now these internal wire brushes are made of steel, stainless steel, brass, and nylon. So Osborn has a wide variety of internal brushes, and I got them with me today, so let's go over some of them. Okay, so right here we have the internal brushes that you can use by hand. You can tell by the black handle on them. And they go from sizes from 2-inch starting right there, moving all the way down. They go all the way down to 1/8 of an inch, which is, really useful if you're cleaning some really small stuff. And then over here, these are also used by hand, but you can tell that the handle, or I should say the shank on the internal brush is a lot longer. And now these are going to be used to clean tubing, really get down deep far, whether maybe you're working on an engine or something that is way down in there. You're going to need one of these longer internal brushes to clean that. And then back here, there's a little bit more of a special type one. You can see that right there. You got some kind of attachment that you can use that for. And those back here, they don't have handles on them. And some of these are really small to clean those really, really tight areas, but you can tell that the ones without the handles on them, you can use on a portable drill or a drill press, depending on what you need to do and what your application is. This one right here is great for a plumber. You're gonna be able to clean the outsides of copper pipe as well as inside of fittings with those internal brushes on the outside. And then right here we have nylon brushes. The same concept. You can put those in a drill press or a portable drill. And then these right here, these are exactly same to the hand brushes, but like I said, it's for a portable drill and a drill press. So lots of different variations, and there's even tons more that you guys can go look at on osborn.com. We're gonna go ahead and get started here. We're gonna clean up some pipe, some threads, some fittings, and some copper, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna use some of these internal brushes. Alrighty, so what I have right here with me is I have a 2-inch copper fitting and I have a 2-inch threaded fitting. Now, to clean the insides of this, we're gonna be using a 2-inch internal wire brush by Osborn. And now this, you can see how dirty this copper fitting is on the inside. This is gonna fit perfect inside this 2-inch fitting, nice and snug. Look at that. And then what you do is you just turn it clockwise, just like that. What that's doing is it's breaking down that surface area on the inside of that brush. On the inside of that fitting, using this internal wire brush, and it's totally gonna get this area ready to be soldered or brazed. Now this would be great for a plumber or a HVAC technician out in the field. It makes it super fast, super easy to clean the insides of your fittings. Look at that, super clean. That internal wire brush did its job perfectly. What else we can use it on is threads, right? We need to clean those threads. Now this is a 2-inch steel pipe, or steel fitting I should say, and those threads are they're bad, they're rusted, and they need to be cleaned up, right? So what we do is, same thing, 2-inch internal wire brush. We'll go ahead and we'll stick that thing in there, and we'll just start spinning it. Look at that. Almost looks brand new compared to this side, how we started. So that's just one of the ways how you can use these internal brushes from Osborn. And now this is the hand brush we use by hand. But now if you want to do it even faster, I'm going to put on the one for the drill, the portable drill. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to demonstrate that. All right, so right here we have copper and steel, like we were just working on. However, this is 1.25 inches. You can see how dirty it is. Obviously, it needs to be cleaned up like we did previously. But this time, we're going to be using one of these internal brushes. This one is designed to go into a portable drill like this. So all you do is loosen up the chuck on this. Go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and tighten it up. And there you go. Now you have an internal brush with the power of a portable drill. So it's gonna clean these things really fast. Let's go ahead and check it out. We'll start with the copper. We'll stick this 1¼ inch brush right into this 1¼ inch copper right here. And we'll go ahead and clean it up. Look at that. Super clean, super shiny compared to what we started at, right? Really nice. So now we'll go ahead and we'll do the steel. Those threads are really rusted. A lot of debris in there. We got our internal wire brush on this drill. Let's go ahead and see what it does. Look at that. Almost looks brand new, and it's so fast with that wire, that internal wire brush. Being able to put it on that portable drill saves you a lot of time and a lot of effort, and really cleaned it up. So that's really nice. I like using the internal brush when you can put it on a power drill or a drill press. It makes it a whole lot easier and a lot faster. And the good thing about these brushes is all these wires are made in-house by Osborn. They have done their research. So this wire with this drill, the drill is not gonna wear this wire out. You're gonna be able to use it for a long time. You're gonna be able to clean a lot of fittings, and it's gonna last. And that's what you want out of a wire brush or any type of product. You want it to last. So that was the internal wire brush on a portable drill. We'll go ahead and we'll get into the next one. Alrighty, so right here we have two 2-inch, these are heavy wall carbon steel coupons for taking a weld test. Now, whenever you're cleaning something like this, it needs to be really clean. And you can look in there, it doesn't look that dirty. But I'm gonna show you just how clean it actually needs to be. And so, you don't wanna scratch it all up. You don't wanna do a bunch of scratches in there. It's not, it's pretty much new. We're just trying to make it nicer. So this is the internal brush I was just using. This is the steel wire. Now this is a lot more aggressive, this steel wire, and it's really gonna dig into those places, those hard to reach places, and it's really gonna get that debris out. But on this is not something that we need to necessarily use for this. So what we can use is a nylon brush, right? It's gonna be a lot better for, those areas where you really don't wanna scratch it up too much. You just wanna clean it. You just wanna polish it up. So here's a 2-inch nylon internal brush. We're gonna go ahead and put it in this portable drill. Tighten that down. And we're gonna go ahead and clean up these fittings. And now keep in mind, like I said, these aren't super dirty, but they can be cleaner. And that's why we're gonna use this nylon brush. And so it's a little bit bigger than this opening, but you just start that drill a little bit and it'll go right in. And once you get it in there, just go ahead and pull that drill and let that nylon brush do its thing. And look at that. Look at how clean and shiny it made that without scratching it up. Pretty much just polished it compared to this. See the scratches in there? Made it real nice. So we'll go ahead and do the other one, and we'll get these cleaned up. I'll tell you one thing, man, these nylon brushes, really nice for polishing up internal pieces, man. So if you do a lot of internal polishing or internal cleaning, a nylon brush is really gonna help you out. Show you the insides of these. Go ahead and do the same thing. Look at that. Super clean, super shiny. That's what you want. So that is the nylon brush. Not as aggressive, but super, super efficient. And it's gonna last a while too. These nylon brushes, super good for cleaning stainless, you know. They're good for cleaning, like you said, carbon, or like you see. These nylon brushes, I really like them, man. They're not too aggressive, and they're just gonna really polish that area that you need, so. All right, guys, so that was just some short demonstrations on using the internal brushes by Osborn. I did the one by hand, and then I did the one in the portable drill. You can, like I said, you can also use them in a drill press. So whatever the application may be, whatever you're trying to clean, if it's super hard to reach, if you're trying to find out what materials you need to clean with, the length of the brush, if you need a specific length, reach out to Osborn, man. Go to osborn.com. If they don't have it, if they can't help you find what you're looking for, they will make it for you. You know, they are a solution company, and they make great, great brushes, great products. So I have a bunch here with me. Some I didn't even get to display. There are some here. Look how tiny this one is. This is super tiny. Try to hold it still. I mean, that's got to be like smaller than an eighth. That's a super tiny brush. So, you know, the list goes on and on with the types of internal brushes Osborn offers you. And like I said, check it all out, osborn.com. They will help you find the internal brush that you need, and if they don't, they will make it for you. So like I said, guys, if you like what you see here, be sure to check it out, osborn.com. Talk to you guys next time.